How to fix App Store, the page could not be loaded on iPhone iOS 26. So if you want to fix App Store, the page could not be loaded on iPhone iOS 26, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your control center and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Or you can also turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and this might fix your problem. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go back and then open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down a bit and then go with General. From General, scroll all the way down, tap on Transfer, Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and then reset your network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you need to go with General again. Under General, go with iPhone storage. And here you need to scroll down or just check whether you have enough storage and whether it supports your device or not. Or you can also just simply take a screenshot of your problem and send it to Apple support and ask for the solution. But if the problem is still there, then you can also discuss in Apple discussion community. They will tell you how you can tackle this error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.